SK Heights presents Imperial Heights, a luxurious residential abode designed specially to suit your taste and standards. The landmark project is ideally located on the immediate left after the Daisar Check Naka of the Western Express Highway. Imperial Heights is easily accessible from the highway, railway stations, and the domestic and international airports. The impressive multi-storied edifice offers well-designed 1, 2, and 3 BHK luxurious apartments, generously laid out with large bedrooms, ample living and dining area. Excellent amenities are being provided for the residents to live a comfortable lifestyle. The swimming pool and health club on the podium level are some of the attractions for those who are health and fitness conscious. A state-of-the-art wellness center and gymnasium with all the latest equipment to refresh after a hard day's work in the city. Imperial Heights offers you the opportunity to get fit and stay healthy. Imperial Heights celebrates luxurious living with an ensemble of facilities thoughtfully planned to complement your penchant for the good life. Imperial Heights also offers offices and shops in various sizes right under your doorstep. A great convenience for the residents. Coming home will now be so effortless and simple as you drive into the podium level parking. The tastefully designed entrance lobby welcomes you to a warm ambience as the high-speed elevators take you up to your dream home. The large, airy, well-designed living room has ample seating and floating space, perfect for family reunions. Even better for intimate family conversations. A family that eats together, lives together. Flowing from the living room is an area exclusively designed for dining. The adjoining kitchen makes service simple and efficient. Not to forget the polished granite, the designer tiles, and the maintenance-free stainless steel fittings. Comfort is essential when so much of life is spent in and around the bedroom. The bedrooms at Imperial Heights have been created keeping total relaxation in mind. Designer accessories adorn the bathrooms. The bedrooms exude warmth and comfort and are designed for maximum space efficiency for storage, sleeping, and seating. Start giving real shape to your dreams for your happy family. Come, discover your dream home at Imperial Heights. Imperial Heights is being developed by SK Heights Private Limited. The esteemed group has presented Mumbai with lifestyle options for over 2 decades. Known for efficient planning and architectural breakthroughs, the group has brought smiles to innumerable families in Mumbai.